Tell me your background and how you got started with Irresistible Marketing.
Well, what happened was, my background is 25 years of marketing, branding, graphic design in the publishing field. I worked for every magazine in New York, from Popular Mechanics, boating, skiing, all the way up to Vogue. And the devil really does wear Prada. So, my background was really in the visual of what, should be happening in branding and things like that. And, when I lost my job, I moved from New York to California, so I left everything in New York and came out and reinvented myself here. I had a job at a wedding magazine where I was the marketing director for taking the magazine national. And in the middle of doing that, I got a young assistant who was absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, awesome. Didn't see this coming, but she fired me. There I was, and I was thinking, wow, what do I want to do with myself now? I'm kind of at this new place. And I started to look to see all my other friends were kind of in the same place. Everyone was kind of losing jobs, missing things. They needed really to understand how to promote themselves. And so did I. So I started studying all the marketing and branding out there from all the gurus, from Fabian Fredrickson, Max Simon, Lisa Sasevich, all these different people that had a piece of the puzzle. And then I synthesized it down into a 7-step program that I have called Irresistible Marketing. And it's really a simple 7-step program, a process that I take my clients through so they can really understand who they are in relationship to their brand, what they're doing, and how to write all their marketing material and make it really attractively theirs.
What is Irresistible Marketing? What's wrong?
All of
Well, I love those hands.
That's how I do it.
Yeah, that's how
that's
I do
me.
it. That's
Sorry, that's how I do it.
Right. That's expression. That's how you see how I use my hands up in here. So that's good. That's the energy. All right.
Yeah.
So, what is Irresistible Marketing? Did I ask that question already?
Well, Irresistible Marketing, you did kind of answer what I said. It was a 7-step program.
Okay, 7-step. Okay, good. You work with people on their unique genius. Tell me about that.
I do. People really don't get how incredibly precious they are, that each one is so unique in how they do something, whether it's talking with their hands or whether it's being quiet and really being grounded. But each person has kind of a unique genius that they came into the world with. It's nothing that you really have to develop. When we got here, we had it. It's almost like it came from God, and it was given to us. I know for me, a lot of times, it's just my exuberance and my excitement about life. That's something that is who I am. And I get downloads straight from source on taglines, ideas, concepts, things like that. Other people have other gifts, but they don't really acknowledge them or really realize how valuable they are. It comes to them easily, so they just dismiss it. And they think, oh yeah, I just give that away because it just comes so easily. And I always say to people, if it comes to you easily, that's what you charge the most for. Because it's just your genius. It's what you came with naturally. It doesn't really have to be developed. So I go in and really look and talk. Really, it's a conversation that I have with my clients where we talk about what did they love to do as a kid? What are the things that they find simple for them to do or just come naturally? Because those are the things that they skip over. And that's what I call the unique genius.
What's the fastest way for a person to brand their business?
I think the quickest way to do that is get very, very clear about what you offer and what you bring and the feeling that you want to have another person get from you. So you want to look at all those things. Some people, they don't understand it, so they just there's a lot of mediocrity in a sense that people just throw things up and throw them out there, and then they're constantly changing and changing. Although I believe that you do evolve, and so you do change your brand as it goes along. But when you start, it's very important to know, these are my values. This is what I'm bringing to the world. This is what I want people to get from my service or from my business. And be very clear about it. And then build your brand around that.
You have a coaching program, 3 clients in 27 days. Tell us about that.
I love this program. I love this program. I'm so excited about it because it's just the simplicity that we're bringing. I have a partner, and I do mostly teaching people how to write and really how to get in touch with who they really are in their businesses. And she does all the online kind of stuff. So the 3 clients in 27 days is a way for us to say to people, hey, you know, there's a lot of marketing out there, there's a lot of things you can do, but let's just choose 1 or 2 or possibly 3 things that you can really plant and master in 27 days. So a lot of times people are like, wow, you know, I want to do video, or I want to do a blog, and I want to do all this other stuff. And you're like, yeah, you know, what brings your clients the quickest is always being in relationship. I teach relationship marketing, how to really be connected to somebody else and solve their problem. Listen to them, see what is going on over there, and how you can help. And if you're not the one to help them, you pass them to someone who is the one to help them. So the 3 clients in 27 days is really breaking down the marketing into 4 simple steps. It's really looking at your energy signature, what you bring, how you are, your being, and then it's looking at how do you bring people into your pipeline, how many people do you actually need in order to convert into your clients, and then what are the systems that you need to support that. Simple systems. Doesn't have to be, you know, what happens is people get really stuck in they have to know how to do everything perfectly before they start to bring in their clients. So we're really teaching them this, just the simple basic steps in order to get their clients and have those people say yes to work with them. And then we're teaching a real simple sales system.
What advice would you give someone starting a business or coaching business that you think would give them some advantage in being able to be successful?
I think the biggest thing is to really have a prosperity plan. Understand, like, these are the things I'm offering, this is where I'm going, this is where I'm headed, so you really get that it's a process and you're step-by-step building on that process. So you understand, oh, if I do a blog, I could make my blog an e-zine. I could write 50 blogs and end up with a book. You know, understanding how the pieces all fit together. So you're only really creating your marketing materials once, and then you're using them over and over again. So
a lot of people love their business, but they don't like to sell. What advice do you have for them?
They so don't like to sell. Do they? People hate that word, don't they?
Yes.
You know, I think what has happened for us is that we have it kind of confused. To me, selling is really the transference of enthusiasm from one person to another. And in that transference, the person gets what you're offering and they need it, so they just say, yeah, I want to do that. And we always think of selling as like trying to get somebody to do something. So, you know, what we teach is really about, you know, everybody wants to buy something, but they don't want to be sold. So it's a matter of really getting in another person's listening and listening to their problem and understanding what it is they actually need. And does your service and what you offer provide that for them?
How do you actually work with your clients?
It's a secret. I'm just kidding. What I do with my clients is we usually meet for a 30 or 40-minute consultation, one-on-one, because I'm a firm believer of you want to be in another person's energy to really understand them and really get what they're doing. Then we usually set up coaching appointments, and I'm teaching them, depending on where they are in their business. I have clients that are just starting out, that need, like, where do I start? How do I focus my time? I mean, the first thing we start with is getting fiercely focused. It's so important. And then I have clients that, one of my recent clients is a therapist. He's got a book, really fairly well known, and his business is maxed out. So I'm like, we need to figure out how you can leverage your time. Like, how can you make some product? How can you sell things so that you're freed up? So depending on where they are is where I start them, but everybody really falls into the 7 steps of the Irresistible Marketing Program.
What makes you different from other marketers?
I think basically, for me, it's that I have a spiritual background that I bring to the whole marketing. And people can teach you tactics all day long. Really, you can actually get them almost anywhere. But really, it's a way of being that you bring to those things, that you infuse with your life, that makes a whole difference. So I teach a lot of, I'm trained in the habit of attraction, so I teach a lot of ways of really tweaking your mindset and keeping yourself positive and on focus for what you're actually trying to produce.
Why do you do what you do?
I just love people. I love people. I love people that are creative, that are innovative, and that want to communicate and change the world with what they do. And I'm here to support them.
Looking back, what is the one thing that gave you the expertise to do what it is that you do?
You know, I think it is a combination of all of the growth and development that I've done over the years, everything that I've done for myself, because I really believe that all of marketing and all of sales and everything that we do is an outpicturing of an inward intention in the way that we are inside pictures outside. And that's what I bring to the whole sphere of marketing and attracting clients. And how do you do that is kind of that unique combination of strategy, tactics, and beingness that really creates a whole, it's just an infusion of life, if you will, into your business.
And so what separates you? How are you different than everything else that's out here?
Well, I think that because I really only focus on client attraction, I don't focus on any other part of your business, really. It's not my expertise in terms of, you know, here's all the different things to build a business. I really focus right down on the basics of client attraction and how to bring people into your business and how to serve those people. And so it's just a kind of a proven step-by-step system that actually does that. It's very specific.
I love you.
I love you too.
Yeah. Yes, indeed. We got